If you're looking for ways to make money online without feeling like a sleazy used car salesperson, buckle up, because today we're diving into the best websites to sell digital products like ebooks, and more importantly, how you can do it even if you hate selling. Yes, there are platforms that will literally do the selling for you. Let that sink in. You create it once and let others do the promoting. If you've been sitting on the fence thinking, I'm not a marketer, or I don't want to beg people to buy my stuff, or I hate selling, this video was made for you. And listen, please don't skip ahead. Wait till you hear what number 4 can do. But honestly, these all work hand in hand. You'll miss your breakthrough if you skip ahead. All right, so stay with me. Hey guys, this is your channel host Cheryl again, here to give you a deep dive on how to make money online selling digital products. And before we even get into the list of 10, let me drop something that's going to make this whole journey way easier. I created the Digital Product Master Bundle, a plug-and-play kit packed with profitable product ideas, simple creation tools and tactics, and even a breakdown of where to sell them. So if you've been stuck in the planning phase, it's time to skip the stress and get straight to the success. The link's below this video. All right, let's talk platforms now. And here's a spoiler alert. We're not starting with Amazon. So let's start with number 1, which is Payhip. This is for people who hate to sell. Payhip is one of those platforms that you upload your digital products. And once you upload that ebook, you then name your price and boom, you've got a professional looking sales page. But here's where it gets juicier. Payhip lets you start an affiliate program, so other people can promote and sell your ebook for you. Isn't that amazing? Yes, you don't even have to be the one doing the pitching. You just set the commission rate and other creators, bloggers, or influencers can drive the traffic for you. That's passive income on autopilot. No monthly fees, just a small percentage when you make a sale. And yes, it delivers your ebook instantly to the buyer. Easy, automated, and stress-free. Number 2 is SendOwl. SendOwl. This is another hidden gem with affiliate power if you've been searching for a clean and customizable way to sell ebooks. SendOwl is it. You can integrate it with your website if you have one. You create discount codes. And like Payhip, you can set up that affiliate program. So once again, you're not doing all the hustling. SendOwl lets people sign up to promote your ebook, and then they get a cut of each sale that is generated. It also sends your ebook automatically after the person purchases. It accepts Stripe or PayPal and gives you all the analytics you need to know who's buying your book and from where they came from. Warrior Plus is number 3. If your ebook helps people make money, this site is like the Las Vegas of digital marketing. Yes, Warrior Plus is all about selling digital products in niches like affiliate marketing, self-improvement, money-making tips, online business, and self-help. What makes it gold is that it's built around affiliate power. You list your ebook, other marketers promote it, and you split the profit. It's a win-win situation. You don't need a big audience because their audience becomes yours. This platform is seriously underrated for people in the business or finance niche. And yes, automated delivery, affiliate tracking, and global reach are all built in. Number 4 is Gumroad. You start for free and let fans pay you what they want. You can do that too. If you want to dip your toe in the water without spending a dime, Gumroad lets you start selling ebooks for free and even offers pay what you want pricing, which takes the pressure off of the buyer. And yes, you can enable affiliate marketing there too. And on top of that, they have a Discover marketplace where they list your book so that it can be seen by others. When you enable the affiliate marketing feature, it means if you've got loyal fans or you're building an audience, they can help spread the word and get rewarded for it. Gumroad also builds you a basic email list so that you can re-engage your buyers. It's simple, powerful, and creator friendly. Number 5, Etsy. Don't sleep on this one. You may think of Etsy as handmade candles and wedding invites, but digital ebooks sell well there, especially things like planners, journals, how-to guides, and niche educational content. While Etsy itself doesn't offer built-in affiliate programs, you can create discount codes and promote through influencers or TikTok creators. It also gives you access to a huge global customer base actively searching for unique products. And if your ebook is something like a self-help journal, a recipe guide, or even a digital workbook, Etsy is prime real estate. Number 6, Amazon KDP. When you're ready to go big now, I didn't want to lead with Amazon KDP because it can feel intimidating. But once you get the hang of it, it opens you up to the world's largest book buying audience. And you get up to 70% royalties, and your ebook can be read through Kindle Unlimited too. However, you do the selling unless you're good at SEO or get reviews rolling in. But if you're really serious about reaching an audience without building your own platform from scratch, it's a no-brainer. This one is a no-brainer, but it's going to take some work. Publish Drive is another one. It's a global distribution center, I call it. This one's for the go-getters who want to be everywhere. Publish Drive distributes your ebook to Apple Books, Google Play, Barnes & Noble, Overdrive for libraries, and more. And while there's no built-in affiliate network, the platform handles the distribution. All that distribution headache is gone. You upload once and they push it across dozens of stores. This is big-time exposure with minimal effort. Number 8 is Kobo Writing Life. Canada's answer to Amazon Kobo is huge. In Canada, Europe, and Asia, you set the price, you keep up to 70% of the profits, and yes, it's non-exclusive. So you can list your ebook everywhere else as well. It doesn't have a native affiliate option, but it integrates with Overdrive for libraries and works great if you want to go global. Number 9 is Podia. For when you're ready to go pro, Podia isn't just for ebooks. It lets you sell courses, memberships, bundles, and yes, you can build an affiliate program right on their platform. This is perfect if you plan to turn your ebook into an empire. And trust me, you can do that. Think ebook plus workbook plus webinar equal high ticket bundle. You collect emails, you offer bundles, and you turn casual readers into superfans. Number 10 is Selz, S-E-L-Z. Now it is part of Square. Selz lets you create a beautiful online store, sell digital downloads, and take payments with ease. While it doesn't have built-in affiliate tools anymore, since joining Square, it's still a solid choice for beginners who want a polished storefront without the coding. Now, before I wrap up, let me say this. Selling ebooks isn't about being an expert. It's about solving people's problems. Did you figure out how to save money on groceries? Turn it into an ebook. Did you survive burnout and came out stronger? Turn it into an ebook. Did you raise 3 kids on a budget as a single mom? Girl, please, put that wisdom in a guide and put a price tag on it. People are not just buying books, they're buying solutions, and that's the key. They're buying shortcuts. And if you lived it, you've got something to offer. Don't you think? So stop sitting on that story. Stop second guessing yourself. Go pick a platform from the ones I just gave you. Use ChatGPT, AI if writing stresses you out. And just start. That's the big thing. Get started. Every ebook you create is another passive income stream with your name on it. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. Because I'm not done. I'm doing a whole series on creating, selling, and scaling digital products. And you do not want to miss what's coming next. Here's the truth. If you've been holding off on creating digital products because you don't want to sell, the problem isn't you. It's the strategy that you're using. And that's why I created the Digital Product Mastery Bundle. So you don't have to learn how to create ebooks and digital downloads on your own. But this bundle shows you everything. the idea, how to create it, and how to sell it. It includes profitable product ideas that actually sell, step-by-step tools to create your product quickly, a list of marketplaces where you can publish today and have people sell for you, and bonus strategies to turn one ebook into a full-blown brand. The link, again, is in the description below. Grab it while it's hot, and make sure that you come back and as a matter of fact, watch the playlist and be here for the next video, how I made money on YouTube before being accepted in the partner program. You don't want to miss that video. Now go grab that bundle and start creating and stop being scared. Okay? I got you. Trust me, I do. I'll see you in the next video.